How to recover deleted text on iPhone. If you are using iOS 16 or later, this is the fastest method. Open the Messages app, tap Filters in the top left corner, tap Recently Deleted, select the conversation you want to recover, then tap Recover in the bottom right corner. Note, messages stay here for 30 days before being permanently deleted. If the message is no longer in the recently deleted, try restoring from backup. Go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, iCloud Backup. Check the last backup date. It should be before the text was deleted. If yes, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings. After reset, choose Restore from iCloud Backup during setup. And that's it.